Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create custom sticker in Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to create custom sticker in Samsung, go ahead and open the gallery application. Then go ahead and locate the image you want to use as a custom sticker. Press and hold the image. Keep pressing until you say something like this. Now go ahead and click on Save as Sticker. Then this is going to be saved as sticker on your Samsung phone. Now, when next you want to use sticker on your Samsung phone, just go ahead, open any messaging application, then come to your sticker. Now, search for your newly created sticker. You may need to scroll down to the bottom until say any of the custom sticker you created. So let me show you a sample of my custom stickers. So this is one of my custom stickers, and this, and then this. You see that? So that is exactly how to create custom stickers in Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.